Oh yeah, look at that, Sean's hooked up. Oh, buddy. Yeah. All right. He swallowed that. Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Fishin Musicians. Today I am fishing Three Lakes Reserve. Randy and Sean are on the way out here. I came out here early to get a time lapse of the sunrise and do a little fishing right at daybreak, and it's paying off already. I'm fishing a waterway that's got running water in it, and it's fall time, so right at the end of summer. There's not going to be a whole lot of bait in the water. Pretty much hitting everything I throw at them right now. I'm throwing a little paddle tail, bluegill. Beautiful fish. That was first cast. Let's see if I can do it again. Buddy, double hookups. This one's a little bit bigger. Oh, there's nothing better than this, guys. Getting out in nature. A little early morning fishing. Playing some music. Rode my motorcycle out today. Ooh, buddy. Really good one. Ooh, I barely got a hook. Yeah, that's a better one. Look at that. They are just mowing down these bluegills. What I'm doing is I'm throwing up in this rushing water and just swimming it out and letting it look like a natural little pattern, because what happens is any of these man-made waterways, as the water's flowing out, it's going to flow out a lot of bluegill, minnows, crawfish, pretty much anything that ends up in the water, crickets. And these fish are wading downstream as that water's flowing out past them. They'll sit down at the bottom, they'll sit on corners, and as soon as they see something come out, they just boom, hit it. You know what? I bet I can do it again next cast. 3 casts, 3 fish. What y'all think? Can he do it? It's like a turkey for fishing. Nope. Haven't had a couple bites. Well, I haven't had a bite in a couple minutes on the bluegill, so I'm switching over to a little fluke. Just weightless. See if this does it. I've got a good feeling about it. It looks like it flutters down and it's dying. Just waiting for a nice pump. I feel that tap or something. That's a bigger one. Ooh, that's a better one. That's good stuff. All right. This fat toad. That's probably about, it's a short fish, but this is probably about 3.5, 4 pound fish. this one back in the water. Film the release. He splashed me.
What's up, crew? It's the next morning. Down here meeting up with Petey. Even got Sean out with us this morning for a little while. We're doing a little bit of freshwater fishing in this really cool spot. Check this out. Got a little bridge here with the water's up, so there's a bunch of flow coming through. Pete's been up here all morning already catching a bunch of bass. He may have cleared them out.
I got them all.
Alright, check back in. Check it out, y'all. Pete's across the creek. He's got a nice bass over there. Hell yeah. Really cool little spot here. Oh yeah, look at that. Sean's hooked up. Sean's hooked up. Yeah, baby. Heck yeah. These are like little fatties, dude. That's a good fish, man.
He ate the whole thing.
Yeah, he did. Perfect. Look, perfect hook set, dude. Check that out. Nice. Good morning. Ooh, belly flop. I want to catch one that big on this little tiny rod. There's little bass. Fishing this Walmart special little panfish rod, pretty much. And this really interesting looking little guy here. Something, I think I got this at like a mystery tackle box or something. Hoggy shrimp. Lucky John, hoggy shrimp. Thing looks like it'll do the job. It's a little sketchy. There's a fish. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. All right, let me attempt to go ahead and just come on down here. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Let's see if I can dig my heels in right here. Cool. All right, little bass. Pretty little guy. Got him on the hoggy shrimp. Check it out. All right. That's pretty cool for such a tiny little rig. Little hoggy shrimp. Yeah. Yeah, watch your step back here because it's like a little more naturey, but shit blowing up all down in this corner and stuff. Hopefully I'm filming. All right, here we go. Little guy's going back in. Little belly flop. It's kind of steep right here though. Yeah, it was a little sketch. I should have probably stayed up there. A little bluegill or something. Dude, I might need your help getting back up here. When I went down that edge, I realized I was like, oh, this is kind of sketchy. Oh. I like this spot, man. Oh, really? Maybe it was a pickerel or something. It might have been what's been blowing up back there because something was like crushing the surface back there. Oh, little guy. Little tiny baby bass. Check that out. Goodbye. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Well, he demolished my little hoggy shrimp. I don't know. I just want to make sure I don't get hit by his teeth. All right. Woo. Oh. Oh, oh. Check that out. Prehistoric fish there. It's like a little guy. Hey guys, another little tiny micro bass out of this cool little creek spot. Down here and release him. Micro bass. There he goes. On this little hoggy shrimp. Not surprised. That's like a perfect little bait for some tiny bass. And maybe a large panfish or something. Got a pretty good one a few minutes ago though. If you guys like the video, shoot us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Fishin Musicians FL. Catch you next time.